The Endeavor 500 is Prochem's largest and most powerful portable hot water extraction, carpet and upholstery cleaning machine. It is the ideal hose and wand cleaning system for large areas of carpet in the commercial and domestic sector. It ticks a lot of boxes for facility management companies with the large tank capacity. 75 to 100 foot of solution and vacuum hoses can also be used with the Endeavor. The front tank contains the clean solution with a magnetic stop to hold the lid in place for ease of use when pouring. In the bottom of the 50 litre clean solution tank there are two filters on the right hand side. These are designed to prevent foreign objects from damaging the pump. On the left hand side is an automatic pump shut-off valve which will protect the pump if there is not enough clean solution in the clean tank. The two filters unscrew from the clean tank like so. They should be removed regularly, cleaned and replaced. The 50 litre waste tank contains the recovered waste. Inside the waste tank there is an automatic vacuum shut-off valve designed to help prevent foam and water from ingesting into the vacuum motor, which may cause damage. Also inside the recovery tank you will find a mesh bag which helps prevent loose debris entering the waste tank. It will require regular cleaning. Simply loosen the drawstring attachment, remove, clean and replace. The controls on the Endeavor are mounted on the front of the machine. This includes the switches for the vacuum and pump, as well as a priming valve, pressure gauge, female connector for solution hose, regulator toggle to adjust the pressure and the vacuum inlet for the vacuum hose. At the rear of the machine you have the gate valve to empty the waste tank along with the built-in heater. The Endeavor comes with two 25-foot mains power cables, one for the machine and one for the inline heater. Connect them and make sure they are locked in place like so. When starting the machine, turn the pump on and turn the priming valve switch in the horizontal position. This will clear any airlocks and make sure the solution from the clean tank flows through like so. To adjust the pressure on the Endeavor, firstly turn on the pump, then use the pressure regulator to set the required PSI prior to cleaning. It will display on the gauge like so. The pump is now primed and ready. Ensure that your solution and vacuum hose are correctly connected and fully clicked in. Using defoamer before each clean is crucial to avoiding unwanted foam buildup in the waste tank. Mix the required amount of concentrate in a small amount of water and feed the solution into the vacuum hose with the vacuum motor switched on like so. Turn on the pump and set the pressure with the regulator like so. Once set, you can now turn on the vacuum and commence extraction and cleaning. Overlap previous wand strokes for better coverage and improved results. Try to keep your back straight whilst doing so. Leaning on the wand does not clean any deeper, in fact it could restrict airflow. Make as many extra vacuum passes with the wand as required. To use the inline heater, turn on the rocker switch located at the back of the machine. The green light will indicate it has been turned on. This will take a couple of minutes to get to temperature and you will soon notice the results. Once the clean is completed, flip the wand onto its handle, turn the heater off at the back of the machine and using the pressure regulator, set it to 0. This is then followed by turning off the pump and the vacuum. The Endeavor comes with handle-mounted wheels for easy loading. When transporting the machine, remove the power cables from the back along with the rear gate valve end. Face the machine in a backwards position and lift safely from the handle beneath the machine and slide into the vehicle like so. Remember, each machine comes with a voucher to attend 1 day of a Prochem training course free to help you get the best results when cleaning carpets with your machine.